welcome to the ultimate health food shop. There's I couldn't even start to explain the amount of plants and interactions that are going on in the kitchen garden. There's about 400 vegetables and herbs in here, and fruit trees around the edges, and it's just endlessly producing a massive variety of fresh and medicinal and mineral rich products, and it's got a very large component of actual therapy as well. The psychological effect of working in a system like this, and then knowing that it's there and you've always got those supply lines of food and minerals and medicinals and herbs and scents and just the whole thing about working in here and being in so much beautiful colours and shapes. And it's also part of a cleaning system. Our grey water comes under the lower beds, so it's actually cleaning some of our waste products. Even some of our storm water comes through the banana circle and keeps areas damp. It's all designed on contour. It's non-dig, endlessly enriching soil, double row reach beds. I think everybody should have one, really. Everyone should have a variation of one of these. It's a place we like to be and like to work, and it's our main food supply. With these beds, garden beds designed so you can reach from one side into the middle and from the other side into the middle. It's a double reach garden bed. You never have to walk on there, you never compact it. That means if you do the right introductions of mulch and compost and worm castings and organic compost teas and things like that, you don't compact the soil, you don't have to dig the soil. You can forget about digging once you set it up. And that means all those little organisms that are in there, all those little things that are working for you, they don't get crushed by your heavy weight. They don't get compacted. The pH, the acid-alkaline balance stays nice and balanced, and it's full of life, and it just keeps producing and producing and producing. You can endlessly crop. You don't have to rest the garden. You can just keep cropping and cropping and cropping, and it gets more and more fertile and richer in minerals. And that just brings you up as a healthy, vital person that's continuously eating fresh, diverse, enzymatically rich food. That's what it's all about, getting people to understand this stuff. It's great. And that's the food forest is just a larger extension of that system, that's all. A forested system of this, really. So many colours, so many shapes, so many forms in the garden. The pests are confused. They can't see the most people can't see the vegetables, actually, but most of the pests, they can't see the vegetables, they can't see the herbs. They're confused. There's different smells in the garden, different aromatic herbs, different colours, different forms, different patterns, and there's lots of perches for birds. There's lots of little frog ponds for frogs. There's lots of little rockeries for lizards. They're all your predators, and they're favoured, and the pests are confused. The confused pests in a garden that looks like this, with predator habitat enhanced, is predated on. It's eaten. So you don't have pest problems. Those aren't something we have to worry about at all. And that's why it looks the way it looks. And it's part of the integrated pest management of design. It's quite simple and it's very beautiful.